What's up, traders? Going 2 for 2 today. Let's get to it. Hey traders, first off, ignore the demo trades. I was just testing out a hot button. Doesn't mean anything. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciate that support. Helps grow the channel, all that good stuff. And yeah, so we're just going to do a recap today because unfortunately, I only got this one trade on the live stream. It was probably like 5 minutes after the live stream ended. We got our second trade on RAAS, and we're going to go over both of those real quick. And sorry for the late post as well. I had my oldest kindergarten orientation today, so I can't believe that is already here. So with that said, DTST, if we scroll in a little bit, you'll see it kind of ramped up here. Previous resistance 466, blew through that, gave us a nice move up through 5. And we didn't quite get the ad up there at 520. Would have been a nice first entry as well, but it was clearly jiggling there at 5. It was having trouble, so we entered, and would have been a nice ad. I was looking for a little bit more for an ad, but it came straight back down and gave us a fill down there at 485, giving us a nice open first trade. RAAS. This one was, I don't know, maybe a little bit forced, but it was kind of ramping up here. And then finally, we got a nice little pop up through the whole $1.06. Got short. This was a line off of the daily as well here at 620. So we went ahead and started a position there, and it gave us a nice little pullback all the way down there towards 6, and we took it off. And as you can see, it was the right move. It ended up going a little bit higher before ultimately dying off, but it was just kind of a quick scalp. And you can see we used smaller share size because you know, it wasn't an A+ move by any means. And if you are curious, you can see the TR in front of these for the ones I was testing the hot button on. And yeah, that's all I have today. It was kind of another slow day. If you take those away, it's about 20 bucks. So like 40-ish% goal. And that's all I got. One other big news thing. I did lower my max loss to 200 from 300. Everything else stayed the same. I just realized that there is no reason to let it go all the way to 300. I barely even get to 100 at this current moment. And when I do get to 100, I usually start to realize that, okay, the trade that I'm in is not exactly what I was looking for. So I realized that once I get to that point, I still have another 50% to go to get to that max loss that I now have set versus another 66% to go, which really didn't make any sense. So now if I were to hit a max loss, which would be $200, or max loss as we like to call it, it would only be 4x of my daily goal. Before it was 6, now it's only 4. That's kind of a big deal. So take that for what it's worth. I just wanted to throw that in there. We'll probably talk about that on the live stream tomorrow night. And that's all I got. I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.